Hey y'all, it's Andreaallurebeauty and welcome to my channel if it's your first time. If you've been here before, welcome back. Hey y'all. Today you're gonna see how I installed this Kinky Straight wig, so make sure you keep watching. So right here, I'm sorry y'all, I actually did record like the whole process of me putting the glue on and everything, but for some reason it wouldn't let me upload that part for, I don't know, it was acting stupid. So I had to start off with my glue already on my hairline, and I used 3 layers of the WIG dealer glue. It's a pretty good glue. I do like it a lot. I don't think it's better than the Erica J glue, but it will definitely for sure get the job done. So I put 3 layers of that on, and right here you're seeing me pressing the hairline of the wig into my own hairline where the glue is. So I'm no like wig guru or anything. I just experiment. But I must say, if you guys do choose to glue your wig down, which I think is best if you have a frontal, make sure you really go in there with the rat tail comb like you see me doing. Use both sides, the rat tail and the teeth, to really push that lace into your hairline, because it's nothing worse than thinking you like have it all secured even after you tie it down, and then you untie it and it's still like lifting in the front. So make sure you take your time in pressing that lace into your hairline, because you want it to stay, you want it to last. So don't half-ass it pretty much. But here I'm just going in with my blow dryer and drying it. You'll see me, I'm gonna go back in with my comb too again and keep pressing it down. I have a little residual glue peeking out because I put too much, put it a little too low on my hairline. So you'll see me go in and fix that in a second. Right here you see me, I'm just brushing those little wispy hairs, the little baby hairs that come on the wig away, so I can really get into that lace part. And to remove that excess glue, that white glue around the edge that you see, I'm going in with the WIG dealer glue remover. When I got this whole set, like it was the glue, the remover, and the hairspray, when I got it, I was glad, because I was like, okay, I'm not sure how I'm gonna remove this thing, but it came in a whole little set, so everything was there for you to make sure you'll be able to lay and remove your wig with no problem. So here I'm just going in with that little wig removing solution, I guess you would call it, and like a cotton white, and just getting all that excess white stuff away. Excess white glue, dried up, crusty, dusty, disgusting. I'm getting rid of it. But clearly, as y'all already saw, when I did remove some of the excess glue, it also detached some of the lace that was supposed to stay on my hairline, so I had to go back in, put a little more glue. So if y'all know any like way to remove excess glue around the hairline without like messing with the actual lace that's attached to the hairline, could you guys leave it in the comment section below? Because like I literally put the glue remover on and that was a waste of time because my wig started lifting, and then I had to put more glue on the second time. So if you guys have any ideas of how to remove it without the glue remover, just leave it below, because I really literally went in a damn circle. So make sure you tie it down with an elastic band. I got mine off of Amazon. You could find them anywhere. Amazon, Target, Walmart. Like, it's an elastic band. It should be in like the arts and crafts section or sewing section. And right here, I'm going in with my hot comb. You know when the hot comb look all dusty like that, you know it's good. I had that hot comb. I got that hot comb from my mom years ago, and I'm pretty sure she probably got it from her mom. But I'm just going in and pressing out some of the kinks. I do like kinky straight hair for sure, but sometimes the kinks are too like crinkly and not kinky, if that makes sense. Like, it looks crinkly, it doesn't look kinky. So I like the coarseness of it. I just don't like how it looks like crimps and not kinks. So I'm just smoothing all that away with the hot comb. And that little wax stick that you saw me use, that was the Luster's slick stick. And that helps with really smoothing and slicking out the strands. And I also went off camera. I went off camera and I pressed it too, but you guys will see when I come back in the next clip. I wrapped it so that it could really be like laid down, like laid like a fresh wrap. So y'all gonna see. And I'm not sure if I said it earlier, but I will leave all the specs of this hair below. And here I am looking like Jafar off of Aladdin. I'm gonna take my scarf off, and ciao, you already see it is laid, slayed, okayed. Like, ciao, I am in love with the texture of this hair. And that hairline, look at it. Get into it, get into it, get into it, get into it. And this was, I think, the next day. I had it wrapped for like a day to keep it secure, and I wasn't going anywhere, so I had it wrapped. This is the next day, and I'm just going to press it out a little more. Like I said, I didn't want to get rid of all the texture, just some of those crimps. And as you can see, it's like perfect. Not too straight, not too poofy. And here I am again, just going around the edges pretty much in that part, so I can really sleek it out. And y'all about to see me burn myself. You'll see, cause that comb don't play. There I go. There I go. Salty as hell. But it was okay. I just burned my thumb. But yeah, guys, tell me how much you like or dislike this wig or kinky straight hair in general. I always have been into like texture with my units, and of course I want my units to look super duper natural, and I feel like kinky straight, in my opinion, is definitely the most natural looking hair on the market right now. Here I'm gonna go in with my flat iron, and I didn't even have it on the highest setting. I think my flat iron went up to like 30 or something like that, and I was pressing it on 25, so it wasn't super duper hot, but definitely hot enough to do what I needed it to do. about this that I can't get over. I love this hair. This was my birthday hair, by the way. My birthday was last month in November, and you couldn't tell me nothing once I popped this bad boy on. And if you guys want to know about a good dupe for this wig, go to my page, and I actually may even link it below. I have a video on a synthetic wig called Alpha Woman by Sensational, and it's like pretty much just like this wig. It's just synthetic. And here you're seeing I'm just brushing, feeling myself, getting into this look or whatever. It's definitely giving me 90s baddie vibes with the flip over. But yeah, that's pretty much how I install my units. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and comment, and if you're not already, make sure you subscribe. I appreciate y'all so much. I know I've been gone for a little while. It's just life has been life and I'll put it at that. But I will be back with more material, more videos, so y'all can't be too mad at me. So I'm just gonna let you guys rock out with the rest of this video. Here's my parting room. Like, oh my God, I love that wig. But I'm gonna go and I'm gonna let you guys just rock out. Thanks for watching, y'all.